welcome to another episode of Cook by Color. I am Chef M, and today we are making sassy me. So we're not actually making me, but the sassy version of me is going into this pot. Sassy Me Stew is going to be seasoned and garnished with Sassy Me. Sassy Me has black peppercorn, black lava salt from Hawaii, and black sesame seeds, black truffle, all mixed up into that one bottle. No chemicals, no additives, no preservatives, none of that. You guys heard me say that before on all of my product lines. So let's get into it. We have, as you see, the beautiful color arrangement. We have our shades of white. We also have our shades of orange. You want to dress your food the same way that you dress yourself. And if you're fly, you know how to put, your little swag on it, you can do that. Do that with your food. Make sure it's yours. Don't make it mine. It's like you watch this and do what you want with it. So let's talk about what we have here. We have 8-ounce chopped up piece of flank steak. So delicious. That's been marinated in oranges. Get that flavored in. That's been sitting in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Next we have our la creme. We have about 30 ounces of water mixed in into the pot already. We have chopped quarter sizes of sweet potato. These are carrots. Other shade that we have are yellow-orange bell peppers. Going into our white shade, we have cauliflower that we're going to throw into the mix. We have our white mushrooms. Then we have our chopped white sweet onion. And we have our garlic cloves. As you see, I've only cut the top part, and it's nice and whole. You just drop that right in there. And then beautiful shade of rosemary. So you want to add your chopped onions in. We're going to add our garlic because we want our garlic to sit down at the bottom. Our 4 chunks of mushrooms. Next, we're going to add our meat. Then our beautiful shades of cauliflower, beautiful shades of bell pepper. We have our carrots. Next, we have our sweet potatoes. Our cream. Our rosemary. Next, we have our sassy me. And all we do is close it up. Now the oven has been set for 400. You can increase it to 425 if you like. We're gonna keep it in there for about 40 to 45 minutes. Start the clock now. There you have it. You have your steak, which is your protein. You have all of your vegetables that we laid in there, and told you that we would also garnish with sassy meat afterwards. And there you have it. That is Sassy Me Stew. So subscribe to this channel, ask me anything. I will literally show you how to flavor the world, flavor anything that you want. Till then, thank you guys.